I was gifted this Rainfall shower head by the brand, and it is such an easy upgrade that makes such a big difference in my shower. Let me bring you closer to take a better look. This is all one unit. We have the Rainfall shower head up here, and then this piece comes off, and you can have your regular shower head, and it magnetizes here. So it's super easy to attach and detach. And this cable is so long, which makes the detachable piece so much more usable, especially because I use this shower a lot for showering my toddlers. So I can take this off and get all around them so easily. So I will show you what the unboxing and the assembly looked like. Thank you to my husband for doing all that for me. I absolutely love the way that this looks. The matte black is so classy, and it really was just such an easy upgrade to our shower and makes showering just a little bit more of a luxury experience for us. So thank you so much to the brand for sending this to me so that I could share it with you.